Action mode video is a real kind of like hidden gem on iPhones. It's been there for a year now, and it's a really powerful feature as long as you're using it in the right way. So if we jump into the camera app, here I am on the beach in Sennen, except it's a little bit bright. Hang on a second. Much better. Okay, all I'm going to do is go into the video camera, and at the top left-hand corner, I'm going to press that little picture of a person running. Now this will enable action mode, and what the phone is going to do is it's going to do stabilization on your video, but to a whole new extreme to what it normally does. To demonstrate this, I'm going to zoom in to the 5x camera lens, and I'm going to walk slowly around this flag on the beach. Now, it's quite a windy day, as you can see from the flag, so it's going to be quite an unsteady video, especially when I'm zoomed in 5 times. But as I'm recording and I'm walking slowly around, you can see just how hard I'm trying to keep that flag in the centre of my frame. It's not going particularly well, is it? But if I then press stop and jump into the video in the Photos app, that action mode stabilization will have kicked in, and just look at how different that video looks now. It's really hard to believe that's the same video. It's buttery smooth, and it looks like it's been shot on like a professional gimbal rather than a handheld phone shaking in the wind. Now, action mode is not perfect by any means. It does require really bright daylight to work, so it's not great indoors, and it does crop quite a large part of your video sometimes, so you may not get quite the video you wanted at the end. But my goodness, it is a really cool hidden feature on your iPhone. And if you want more hidden features, do subscribe to my channel down below, where there are hundreds more iPhone tips waiting for you there.